Okay, live galing dito sa Cuneta Astro. Ito po at natawag na ang unang 5 sa magkabilang kupunan. At ito, Dr. J, game number 3, anong hahanapin natin? Puputok ba agad yung Gordons? O ano mangyayari as we see sa ating lineup sa Suman, Lago, Cordillera, Patrimonio, Ravenna. Para sa Pure Foods, sa Gordons, we have Renzo, Gayoso, Aquino, Locsin, and the Junior Jaworski.
Another change in the first 5 lineup ng Gordons. They're starting off with their veteran guard lineup, and that is Pido Harencio at saka si JB Gayoso. Tumatawag ng play dito, Chino, si JB Gayoso, no?
Okay, maganda siguro Dr. J habang nagpapainit tayo. Si Butch Maniego ay nanggaling po kanina sa... Uy, magandang banat ito ah. Kapayaan mo natin i-savor ng mga Gorgas Gym fans ang ipinukol ni Junior Jaworski at Butch. Ano pa sinasabi sa Pure Foods? Magiging 3-0 ba after tonight?
Isang game was for the players to pay attention to the little things, yung mga maliliit na bagay tulad ng boxing out at coming down on transition defense. At sabi rin ni...
This is a very crucial game for both of these. No? I mean, yung madaling sabihin yun, but you can feel the pressure for both teams in this ball game.
Pero Dr. J, kung having fun ang iniisip ng Pure Foods dito, they won't have it dahil ibang Gordons yung nakikita natin at least dito sa early goings dito. They were double teaming, they were shooting. Ito si Patrimonio. Bagsak si Patrimonio, bagsak din si Harenzo. And Harenzo will be slapped.
He went for the ball. He was way behind. He went for the ball and he made sure that Alvin was not, well, in this case, nagkabitawan sila.
With his coaches, sabi niya kay Rino Salazar at saka kay Philip Cesar, oh, nakamaong kayo eh, hindi katulad yung isang araw, naka-block kayo, kaya tayo natalo. Ngayon nakamaong kayo, mananalo kami. Let's go to you, Chino.
Okay, Dr. J, offensive patterns. At least ito si Jaworski Jr. nakikinig yata sa tatay niya dahil pumupwesto siya kung saan siya may bukas na tira for the second time. Lumabas si Dudut Jaworski sa mga screen at pumukol siya ng dalawang dikit na 3-point shot. Agresibo sila.
Well, you know, they've gotten those 2 shots from Dudut, but aside from that, wala pa rin naman nakaka-score na iba sa kanila, no? Let's see Gayoso again from the outside. This time, it's another triple B.
Dr. J, first 2 games yata.
Only won once there against San Miguel, you know? But here in Cuneta, this is where the majority of the ball games have been won this year. And look at that rebound, ha?
Monster, hindi na ipapasok ng Pure Foods. Ito si Hison umatake. He misses that shot and a deliberate foul has been called
On Ravenna.
on number 8. This is Donking sa Suman, Dr. J.
Tignan nga natin itong play dahil ito opposite where we are. There's the knee.
At yun yung batok, Dr. J. Nakita mo kaya si Hison react.
Saka nakapagpahinga na eh.
Ito, umatake si JV Gayoso. This one is a miss. Dito pumalit tumitingin sa likod. Taking a pass. Ito si Mas Morodo. Tumira, wala. Andun si Lago for the rebound. He follows up. Ginamit ang kaliwa. And that's
Injury or no injury, naglaro siya.
ang ganda ng pasa mo, Iho. Eksakto. At yun yung play kanina, Dr. Nagasta ng first 2 games.
Correct. It's a matter of being able to strain it for 4 quarters.
Yeah,
They're really
yes.
starting off very well, which is expected for a team that's down. And this is an easy getaway here.
And Hison, ililayap ito. And this
natin sa kalusugan.
pinutataan ni Marlo Aquino si Elmer Lago as we continue play. This is the first quarter. Jaworski Jr. against Cordillera. Tumama. At he recovers. Ito si Ravenna. Hasn't scored against Dudut Jaworski. Tira ni Cordillera sa labas. Finally, a conversion from Jerry Cordillera.
Nag-iba ng lineup dito si Coach Altamirano. He's using 3 big men.
And JV Gayoso just
Again,
missed
this
his
is
third
a
layup, Dr. J.
Kung may shot charge yan, masisira ulo nung kanyang gumagawa niyan.
And Jerry Cordillera answers back with his 4th straight point to cut down the lead 15-8.
Run, and now Pure Foods is having its run. Dahil yung dalawang misses, malaking bagay yun. Now he shoots another 3-point shot and he makes it. Bakit? Bakit? Bakit doon nakakashoot ka sa free throw line? Walang bantay, hindi ka makashoot.
Ay nagkaroon na ng mga doubts no, sa kanilang kupunan.
Yeah, they're very disappointed at the way they played. Ooh, benas pa sila.
They're going to this matchup, Dr. J. Gayoso and Patrimonio. And Patrimonio, frankly, bagsak si Alvin Patrimonio. And this is a physical ball game, Dr. J. Baka magulat sila dito kung gagawin. And Pure Foods now
Are talking.
locked in a huddle.
Obviously, it's gonna be physical. Yung isa is fighting for survival, kumbaga sa ano eh. And then Alvin, I think, realizes that also. He goes into the land of the unknown. Kumbaga sa ano eh, medyo wala kang kakampi ron.
Parang
But he's
nagpunta
a
sa
tough,
Lebanon. Eh, no?
he's a tough player. He's a tough player.
Natin that we will have later on after this game na yung kumpara
1988.
niya yung Ginebra at saka yung Gordos ngayon, hindi ganun ka-physical eh. No?
Yes. Ginebra really played soft in the first.
Kailangan magbigay sila ng bagong mga sa loob.
6 seconds on the shot clock.
Hison thinking 3. This one is in the bank. Espolado, hindi mala ko anong gagawin.
Oh, that's offensive.
Dr. J, makita mo doon yung tentativeness ni Chris Bolado. Una, hindi siya makatira. Pangalawa, when he decided to take the shot, abay, naka-establish na siyempre yung posisyon si Marlo.
Well, Chris Bolado is not gonna beat Marlo Aquino 15
First appearance dito sa ating game number 3.
Shot clock is down to 4. Marlo knows that. And he has to make that turnaround jump shot. Mabigat na tira yun. Ha?
Nagbabaga itong kanyang kapunan.
Very.
Pinera. Still, mas consistent.
Masyado mahaba itong play na ito. Ayun, maagawan na. Pero nakuha ulit ni Vince Season. Buenas pa.
Handoff, Marlo Aquino. Gulat-gulat ng mga pangyayari. Pasa sa ilalim. And this is an entirely different Gordon's Gin.
Raging animals. No? Pag sinaktan mo yan, hindi umaayaw yan.
Bukas si Chris Bolado against Baldavis.
Yes.
Ayun, sigurado.
In this play. There are only 16 seconds left. So they don't really have to attack very quickly. Oh, but that was a bad foul by Cabato because they are in the penalty. Cabato trying to intimidate Marlo Aquino. Yun ang unang, I think, politik na natin. Ngayon, how Marlo has improved from the free throw line. Tignan mo yung mga nakikita mo sa NBA, yung mga pure food sa kabila. They're distracting the shooter and they're done in that ball game.
So 8 pala no ang iminindis niya.
Yeah.
Ipinahinga si Noli Locsin. A good rest for him. Dalawang minutes ito. Si
Terry Saldana from the outside.
alam na nila no?
Yeah. There are two guys there that don't have a threat outside.
Ito ang isang outside threat na hindi pa pumuputok ang laro.
There's a
2 seconds
gap.
to shoot.
Buenas
And
talaga.
here we go. Sobrang taas lang inilalaro, Dr. J.
Play. Switch off.
They go to Patrimonio, well covered ni Wilmer Ong. Patrimonio bagging. Andito Dr. J in depensa. Sani Cabato tumira.
Yes.
And that's what Patrimonio
Does clock a little bit against Gordon setting their play. Kaya ginagawa ng pure food siya. No?
Baldavid gagamitin ng banda. And Dr. J, this is it.
Pull dito si Bolado at the same time, at the same lane. Alas ang easy layup.
Dinto Pumarin with a deadly crossover. And Terry Saldana showing everyone else kung paano rebound. An outlet pass. And Terry Saldana head. Ang problema, Dr. J, Pure Foods doesn't have a scoring threat sa loob.
Right on the buzzer.
Palagay ko, siya lang yung scoring threat dito. Ito si Ray Evangelista. Now, siyang atake. He challenges Hison. Hison tumagilid. That is gonna count. Sana.
Tatak in that play.
2 shots para kay Ray Evangelista. He makes his first free throw shot. Itong si Ray Evangelista, product of UST. And Sonny Jaworski, I think, ready to make another early appearance. Same as he did nung game number 2, Dr. J.
He didn't have a bad showing at all. His team really just collapsed.
Yan. Baldavid from the corner.
Against one of his former teammates. And
Isaiah Thomas dati nung binabatuhan niya ng tira yung si Ralph Sampson sa I think that was the 1986.
my heroes, at the time I considered him the best point guard in the universe with the best smile pa.
Oh, si Isaiah. Ito, Sonny Jaworski now making his entry. Sonny Jaworski appearing in his 20-some championship game dito sa kanyang paglalaro. Hindi lamang as a player but also as a coach. Sonny Jaworski, lahat na ata ng records ng PBA nandun ang kanyang pangalan. The only surviving pioneer ng liga. Lago forced to near turnover. But they have 10 seconds, no? Bukas na bukas ito. Si Ray Evangelista. Enough time para basahin ang bola. Sonny Jaworski diving for it. Gilid Elmer Lago. Walang Noli Locsin. Hawak ang rebound. At alam niya, kanya yung bola. Hison thinking 3. This one is off again. And nakita natin si Atoy nung game number 2. Pinag-uusapan namin si Vince Season. Mamaya sasabihin ko kung ano yung mga observations ni The Fortune Cookie on Vince Season. 2 seconds to go. Wala. Rebound tatapikin. Sonny Jaworski tapping that ball. Hindi nila nakita, tumatakbo si Hison. Yun yung value ng Sonny Jaworski. Hindi na
He
sa
slows it
makatalon.
down. Nakita nila bumalik na yung depensa. Ba't magpapwersahin pa? Wala ka ng pass break.
Balvid bukas. Open.
6 minutes and 10 seconds left into this second quarter. Baldavid making both free throws and Bong was not aware of the time. Ayan na naman, muntik na naman na agawan si Baldavid. Oh.
Ito si Hison from behind the back pass ni Jaworski. Si Baldavid mukhang bothered by the presence of Dindo Pumarin. Jaworski taking his own version of a 3-point shot. Pumarin, pasa kay Cudinera, well set up for that shot.
Commit the turnovers anymore. That's a big man on top of him. He likes to shoot over Evangelista.
Jaworski now directing traffic.
But there is no movement at all here on the part of Gordon.
Nagkitayan sila.
Just a one-on-one play.
Locks in, triple B. Aba, sobrang buhay na si to, Dr. J.
So sometimes you tend to become a little bit overconfident. Tama si Eric Altamirano doon. I think he realizes that his team is just playing too loose and too relaxed.
Tira sa gilid, wala. Rebound battle. Nandun si Jericho Dinera, sinakyan. And Sonny Jaworski coming up with the rebound. Baseball pass. Nakuha ni Marlo Aquino. Inilay up ni Sonny Jaworski.
Almost had a steal. So blessing in disguise dyan para sa Gordons who are now enjoying a 20-point lead. Pero
Their biggest
binawi
lead.
agad.
Yung pala ang kanilang paraan ng... Alagay ko si Coach Sonny Jaworski, yun ang isang paraan to break the press. Those baseball passes. Sonny Jaworski with the layup! Doon naman mas magaling yung anak ko.
Kalat na kalat talaga ang laro dito ng Pure Foods. I mean, look at Sasuma forcing. What a nice pass. Terrific. Wrap around pass.
And Sonny Jaworski showing us why he leads the league in assists.
Palang eh, di ba, Chino?
Ito si Cudinera from the outside.
Gordons is in the penalty while Pure Foods malayo pa.
Hindi makatira talaga sa patrimonyo Dr. J. He's having hard time dun sa...
Yeah, 3-point shot.
Ayun, sa wakas. Nakapukol na si Bong Ravena. Another pitch. Nako, ito turnover na ni Sonny Jaworski.
Paborito talaga ni Ravena yan. And Ravena is bringing them back. 5 straight points. Yan was because of the trap. They had to pick up the guy right away. And so it happened to be a big man and he stayed right on top of it.
Back to Marlo Aquino, Sonny Jaworski. JP Gayoso. Upukol, mas malapit. Wala. Ando si Marlo Aquino. Tipping that ball in. Wala. Valdavid, a second to go. Bidaton. Tira! And it counts! And that basket counts. Si Valdavid, one of the better touch players that we have dito sa liga na to. End of the half. Ating pasimula para sa third quarter. And obviously, a big adjustment on the side of Pure Foods. In just one shot. So, dahan-dahan pala sila.
And they will go to Patrimonio right away, but that's a good offensive rebound by Evangelista. Naipit lamang siya. Player na hindi pa nagagamit dito that has really been playing well has been Benny Cheng. He's the only player in the ballgame.
Ito si Gayoso sa gilid. At si Benny Cheng, maraming nga nagsasabi Dr. J, nandun sa yung mga beeper natin, yung tumawag nun, yung beeper sa ating courtesy of Mobileye, na gusto nila sana maglaro ng mas mahaba si Benny Cheng. As we see, Marlo Aquino missing. It's a 14-point lead para sa kanyang kapunan.
Well, Evangelista wanting to attack Gayoso right away. Medyo may advantage siya dyan sa height.
Bong Ravena is open. Floater ni Bong Ravena is
Yes.
down to 12. Ito si Pinchison. Inatake si Tindo Pomaren at kahit nandun ang depensa ng Pure Foods.
This is making the points when the other team is putting pressure on you. Aatake na naman si Evangelista.
Papanda ni Jericho Dinera. He does that so well, Dr. J. Si Jericho Dinera, handa nang umatake yan.
But still a little too far away from the basket, so he's gonna kick the ball out. Jerry again libre. Pasok na naman. But it's not safe. And Pure Foods defense is beginning to pick up. 3-point shot by, wala na naman. Nila yung Gordon sa scoring in this quarter.
Mukhang tama, Dr. J. They're on target. Doon sa sinasabi kanina ni Butch na target nila was to offensive foul pa si Sonny Jaworski to start the fourth quarter. And the walls of Tucuneta Astros starting to crumble down on Gordons dito sa ballgame na ito, Dr. J.
Well, they've got 12 minutes to keep the series alive here. I mean, if they go 3-0, alam natin, siguro hindi na sila makaka-4 straight. If they go 2-1, anything can still happen. Third quarter, he became tentative after missing some shots.
Masakit patrimonyo sa gilid si Sasuma.
No.
Ako, patay ang butiki. And Sonny Jaworski. Dr. J, si Sonny Jaworski pa tumatakbo para kumuha ng rebound.
Well, siya na lang ang may legs.
Ito si Wilmer.
Nice pass by Loxin. That was a great pass by
Isang hindi makashoot. Pumaren.
Yes.
Pumaren,
Despite
steady. Kaming nagsasabi naman, pag-usapan natin sandali ang Gordon habang kumuhupa ng konting action. Yung daw championship ng Gordon doon sa third conference against Alaska, they should have learned a lot of lessons. Ito pasa ni Sonny Jaworski!
Yeah. Kasi Marlo doon, he was...
Sonny Jaworski, kasundutan pa ng bola, dumive sa bola, naagawan ni Bong Ravena! At ang mga kakampi, hindi malaman kung paano gagawin tulong. Patrimonio na, fouled by Wilmer Ong and Sonny. I think they have to recruit Dr. J. Hindi ko alam kung paano na gagawin yan. They have A lot of timeouts remaining and Sonny Jaworski attack from behind. Sonny Jaworski, although trying to provide the hustle, mahirap na siyang sa kabila sapagkat itong kabila, paglabas ng isang player, tutok agad sila.
Yeah, they give them advice. Nice play.
Bumping and Aquino. Yun, at least ganyan nakita natin tumayo si Philip Cesar at saka si Rino Salazar. But look, marami pang timeout pwede gamitin pero alam mong nire-reserve man nila yan towards the end. Ito si Noli Locsin. Bukas sa ilalim. Ganda nun. Contagious eh, Dr. J. At least hindi sakit so contagious yung tao yung sibag niya. Scramble for the ball. Agawan, nakuha ni Valdavid again. It's Valdavid. Parang it's all Valdavid Marlo Aquino show dito. Bukas, tumira. Aba! Wilmer O hesitating but
Bonus.
finally. Parang kang tumama sa...
Loto.
Hindi lang loto, yung...
Loteng.
Ayaw mo loto, lote.
Mega Loto kung gusto mo.
Marami pala yun. To talk to the other players pag nandun sa loob sa bench, sa coach si Sonny Jaworski. Dahil alam mo na si Sonny Jaworski yun ang role niya. Kinakausap mo na yung players isa-isa.
Yeah, but he's also a coach now, so he's got to think. He's got to watch the game. So hindi pwede lahat yan gagawin mo. Locino at the post. Kaya attacking that play. Noli Locsin finds an opening.
Siya nga atake, pinapaan ng tira, wala. Rebound, nakuha niya. Inilagay yung bola, wala. Pinuha niya na naman. At foul na tatawag kay Ray Evangelista. And now, konting physical. Expected yan.
It was only body. I never saw any hands move.
At dito, nag-iitan yung mga players na Pure pero lahat nakangiti.
Parehong
Mabilis ang action.
And you can see Evangelista and Noli Locsin shake hands. It's just at that impact, you know. Nung impact na yun, nagkagulo doon.
Ng Gordons. Mabigat na because they're tired.
Double teaming against Marlo.
Marlo Aquino powering his way in.
Yun ang tinatawag na saksak. Ngayon, they've got to foul. But force them to give it to somebody else and they foul them.
Ayan, bukas si Marlo. Marlo finishing off this.
He made the shot.
Ito Marlo Aquino trying to put the icing on the cake. He does.
And the game number 3.
So looking forward to the next game. No? Dumukot sa ilalim si Ray Evangelista.
So still, might be a long way to go before and premature to be crowning anybody the champion. Sa Suman from downtown.
Bago ang kanyang follow-up. So, 109.73 again. Thank you to Atty. Joseph Santiago.
Saka
And
si
of course,
Mr.
to Mr. Choi
Coaco.
Coaco for lending us the beepers that we are using dito sa post-game show natin na ito. Maraming salamat po uli. At maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagtangkilik ng PBA dito po sa Vintage Sports sa IBC 13. At dyan po nagwawakas ang storya ng game number 3. Gordons 92, ang Pure Foods 83. At patuloy ang pagkahagulo, ibang klase, Dr. J, ang ipinakitang karakter at least dito ng koponan ng Gordons.
Well, Coach, you know, a lot of people have been saying, tapos na daw yung series na to, panalo na daw po yung Pure Foods. Finally, with a win here, ano masasabi mo sa mga detractors ninyo?
Well, natural yan eh. Siyempre, 2-0. Gusto nila maging 3. Kami naman gusto namin maging 2-1. Tapos, we will see what we can do from there. But dun sa mga sumusuporta sa amin, sa Gordons, alam niyo po, napaka-importante ng suporta niyo. Don't you worry at we will do and give our best.
Okay, live